As sunset arrives, the transport fleet leaves the factory, carrying products towards cities across the region. Deep inside the buffalo factory, endless rows of buffalo move through a fully automated symmetry and order define this futuristic livestock facility, where each animal is managed through intelligent gates and synchronized operations. Robotic brushes rotate with precision as cleaning mist covers the lower body, creating a futuristic grooming system unlike anything seen before. In this smart farming zone, technicians monitor live health data while rows of buffalo remain calm under the supervision of automated machinery.
The metabolic rate on stall 7 is fluctuating outside parameters.
I see that. Adjust the nutrient flow by 5% and monitor the synthesis levels.
Across this giant dairy complex, rows of buffalo are connected to modern systems that maximize output through automation. Powerful machinery transforms the product into a thick, creamy foam, demonstrating the next phase of processing.
Fresh milk begins flowing through industrial lines into stainless steel collection tanks, where quality and hygiene are tightly controlled.
Thick, fresh milk moves through transparent industrial pipes, showing the first stage of large-scale processing. Temperature-controlled systems carefully manage the milk as it enters giant vats for treatment and purification.
Inside the processing lines, liquids mix rapidly through sealed, transparent pipes under full digital supervision. Precision nozzles fill each bottle with measured accuracy, ensuring consistency in every unit produced. Mechanical capping units seal each bottle at high speed as the conveyor moves continuously forward.
Smart robotic heads print batch information and secure packaging in one seamless motion. Even mistakes are corrected instantly, as robotic arms detect and recover fallen bottles without stopping production. Finished glass bottles continue down the final assembly line, ready for packaging and shipment.
Human teamwork still plays an important role, with workers managing crates and final handling operations.
In the warehouse, intelligent robotic systems organize pallets with incredible speed and precision. Endless aisles of inventory show the power of modern logistics driven entirely by automation.
Refrigerated trucks are loaded and sealed, ready to deliver fresh dairy products to markets everywhere.
Behind the scenes, profit analytics reveal how automation drives massive business growth. Live digital dashboards track revenue, global movement, and factory performance in real time.